Strong AI versus weak AI. What's the difference? A computer system is not truly intelligent if it's just matching symbols like a phrase book. Such a system might seem smart, but it's actually just copying pre-written responses. John Searle, a philosopher, explained two types of artificial intelligence: AI, strong AI and weak AI. Strong AI refers to machines that act like humans, with emotions, creativity, and purpose. Examples of strong AI are seen in science fiction, like C-3PO from Star Wars or Commander Data from Star Trek. Strong AI doesn't exist yet, it's still science fiction. Weak AI is AI that can only do specific tasks, like Siri on your phone. Siri listens to your voice, converts it to text, and matches your question to a database of answers. Weak AI focuses on narrow tasks, like language translation or photo sorting. Most AI today is weak AI, and that's where most research is happening. In the 1970s and 1980s, symbolic systems were used to build early forms of weak AI. These systems were called expert systems because they followed expert-created rules to solve problems. In an expert system, humans programmed step-by-step instructions for specific problems. For example, in medicine, a computer could help diagnose patients by following programmed rules. A nurse might enter symptoms, and the system would follow a checklist to suggest possible illnesses. If a patient has a cough, the system might check for fever. If a patient has a cough, fever, and dehydration, it might suggest checking for bronchitis. To the patient, it might look like the computer is thinking, but it's just following pre-written rules. This process is similar to the Chinese room experiment, where the system only matches patterns. Expert systems had a big problem. There were too many possible combinations to handle. For example, doctors asked many different questions to diagnose illnesses, leading to countless patterns. Symbolic systems like expert systems struggled with this combinatorial explosion. Despite their limits, symbolic systems were important in the early days of AI. Symbolic AI is also called GOFAI, good old-fashioned artificial intelligence. GOFAI is still used today in some areas of AI research. The difference between strong AI and weak AI helps us understand what AI can and cannot do. Strong AI would need to understand emotions, meaning, and purpose, not just match symbols. Weak AI, like Siri or other assistants, is useful but doesn't understand or think like a human. Expert systems were a great starting point, but AI has evolved to use newer techniques like machine learning. Understanding the history of AI helps us see how far we've come and how far we still have to go.